What do you guys think it's gonna be? Oh, it's I'm stupid. That wasn't even funny. Thank you so much for watching the video. Definitely make sure to smash the fattest and hugest and just
13
chubbiest
times.
like of 28.
Let me show you. Okay. It makes me sneeze. And when I sneeze, it's really weird. I can sneeze with my eyes open. And, I gotta get myself to sneeze. I'll be back when I'm gonna get myself to sneeze. Alright, bye. Alright, ready. That was it. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's my sneeze. My eyes are actually watery. That's actually my real sneeze. One on Musical.ly, that was a fake one. I went like, or something. But this one's real. So, Infinite List. If you're watching this, please put this on your video. Oh no. See you guys next time. Peace. Love y'all. And have a great day.